Hey guys, Jason McCoy here with Microtech Knives. Today we're going to discuss a few simple maintenance tips mentioned in your product manual on how to keep your OTF running smooth and efficient. A few items we're going to need for today's maintenance is a can of rim oil with a straw, a can of compressed air, and some simple cotton swabs. Any of these items can be purchased at your local retail store. With the blade of your OTF in the closed position, spray a liberal amount of oil down inside of the handle. Turn your knife upside down and blow it out with compressed air. This should free up any debris caught inside of your chassis. With a Q-tip, it's a good idea to clean out the choil area of your blade. Also the back and the front side of your slider. Apply a small amount of oil to these areas after cleaning. We hope these tips have helped, but if at any time you need further assistance, please don't hesitate to contact us via our support tab on our website or social media. We'll be glad to help.